In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and tune realistic film grain in Nuke. Grain can make digital footage feel more cohesive, hide small compression artifacts, and add a subtle filmic texture that helps different elements blend together. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get great results quickly while understanding what each control is doing. Start by bringing your footage into the script with a read node. Think of the read node as the gateway to your media. It simply points Nuke to your source file and makes it available downstream. Once your clip is loaded, you'll see the read node in your node graph and can confirm it in the viewer to make sure everything looks correct. Next, add a regrain node. This is the tool that applies the grain texture back onto your image. Place it in your graph and connect your footage to it so the output of the read node feeds directly into the regrain node. You should now have a straightforward chain, read into regrain into your viewer. Now let's dial in the look, starting with size. Size controls the coarseness of the grain pattern. Smaller values create tight, fine grain that suits clean, high-resolution images or glossy commercial work. Larger values produce chunkier grain that feels more analog or vintage. A helpful tip here is to view your image at 100% zoom in the viewer. That way you're judging the grain at its true scale, not an artificially scaled version that can mislead your eyes. After size, adjust strength. This is the visibility of the grain. Push it too high and it can look noisy and distracting. Keep it too low and you won't notice it at all. Aim for a level that you can feel more than see, especially in midtones. Watch smooth areas like skies, faces, and gradients because that's where heavy grain tends to be most obvious. If you're matching a reference, move strength gradually until the texture aligns with what you're aiming for. To evaluate your work, preview in the viewer and toggle the effect on and off. Select the regrain node and press D to disable and enable it. This quick before and after comparison helps you confirm that the grain is enhancing the image without overpowering it. Look at highlights, midtones, and shadows. A good grain setting holds together across the whole tonal range. That's all you need. Read, regrain, connect, size, strength, and a clean toggle check. Keep it subtle. Stay at 100% zoom when